Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Mutton curry, a truly delightful and aromatic dish, brings so much warmth and flavor to any table. It's known for its tender meat and deeply spiced gravy, making it a fantastic choice for a hearty meal. Today, we're going to explore how you can create this amazing dish right in your own kitchen, effortlessly. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your loved ones with this culinary adventure. To begin our mutton curry journey, let's gather all the essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of fresh mutton, cut into medium-sized pieces, along with staple aromatics like finely chopped onions, a generous amount of ginger garlic paste, and ripe tomatoes. For our spices, think turmeric, red chili powder, coriander, and garam masala, plus whole spices such as cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon sticks. These will build the foundation of our rich, flavorful gravy. Now let's talk about marinating, a key step for truly tender and flavorful mutton. In a large bowl, combine your mutton pieces with plain yogurt, a dollop of ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of turmeric and red chili powder. Mix everything well to coat the meat evenly. For the best results, cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight marination works wonders for deeper flavor and incredible tenderness. Once your mutton is beautifully marinated, it's time to cook. Heat some oil in a heavy-bottomed pot, then add whole spices and sauté your onions until they're golden brown and fragrant. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste, followed by the marinated mutton, browning it on all sides. Add chopped tomatoes and your powdered spices, then a little water, covering the pot to let it simmer gently until the mutton becomes incredibly tender and the gravy achieves a rich, inviting consistency. Your delicious mutton curry is now ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, a sprinkle of fresh, chopped coriander leaves adds a burst of color and a fresh aroma. This aromatic dish pairs perfectly with fluffy steamed basmati rice, warm naan bread, or soft roti. Take a moment to savor the rich, complex flavors and the tender meat, knowing you've created a truly comforting and satisfying meal from scratch. Enjoy every single bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.